Hello everyone, it's Keisha with Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am planning in my Classic Happy Planner. I'll be planning in my dashboard section. Let me go ahead and find it. Alright, so this is it. And I'll be planning for the week of April 11th through the 17th. So I'll go ahead and take those off the disc. And this week I have pulled one of my sticker books that I purchased in the Happy Planner spring release, but have yet to touch. And that is this one, Wild Plans. So I am going to be planning in using this sticker book today. So I'm going to go ahead and speed the video up. And when I finish, I'll be back. All right, everyone, that's it. I'm going to stop right there. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I don't know. I really love, what is this, leopard print. But I can never get it to look right on the spreads. So, I don't know. We'll see how it goes this coming week. So I'll go ahead and put those back on there. And hopefully it'll grow on me this week. So who knows. But, you know, I do still want to pull my VB pens. So for this week's spread, I'm pulling Belltown. This is the newest VB pen from the March Belltown VB kit. So that is Belltown. So I have that one because of those glorious grays. And I also pulled Goal Getter. I pulled the Goal Getter and also Leo from the Zodiac line. So I'm not sure how these look together. I think it's just the colors of this kit. Maybe that's what's throwing me off. The colors, the orange and the grays. I don't know. But we'll see how it works out this week. And hopefully I'll use it. All right, guys, so that's it. If you like this video, make sure you give me a comment down, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.